Knowing how to change the footer in PowerPoint is crucial for maintaining consistent messaging and branding across your entire presentation. So if you want to know how to change the footer in PowerPoint, you can finish up this video. So firstly, open up your Microsoft PowerPoint, then click on the View tab in the PowerPoint toolbar, choose Slide Master. Then by doing this, you will unveil the master template for your slides, where all the foundation changes, including those the footer, are made. Now to customize it, within the Slide Master view, then click on the Insert, choose Header and Footer. Then in the dialog box, put your custom text in the footer box or modify as needed. Now inserting dynamic elements like date and slide numbers can also be done with this dialog box. You just have to select the checkbox of the slide number to add slide numbers. Then for the date and time, click Date and Time in the text group. Make your selections in the drop-down menu. Then click Apply to All. Then that's how easy you can change the footer in PowerPoint in your Microsoft computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.